Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do the microwave trend on TikTok. So what you have to do, you need to download CapCut first because this effect is not available in TikTok. This is in CapCut. So once you have CapCut, what you can do, you can visit my profile because basically you need the link to the effect. So in this video, on the bottom left corner of the video, you can see link to the CapCut filter. Okay, you will be directed to this page. Now tap on use template in CapCut. You will be directed to CapCut. Okay, now tap on use template at the bottom of the screen. You need to browse a picture from your camera roll. Okay, let's go with this one. Hit next. Let's apply. Okay, and done. You can hit the export button and save and share to TikTok. Or you can directly search this template on CapCut. You can search microwave filter AI. Okay, and you will see all these templates. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can join this microwave trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.